Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iPhone maybe too close. Keep your iPhone at arm's length can protect your eyesight. So if you are using iPhone and after some time you are seeing this kind of interface, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically it is a feature of screen distance on your iPhone. So if you want to turn it off again, and if you do not want it, then you can simply turn it off. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video carefully. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Face ID and passcode. So here you have to simply provide the passcode, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of stolen device protection. So it will not find here, so you have to simply go back, and after that you have to simply look for the screen time here. So in screen time you will find the option of screen distance. So as you can see, to reduce the eye strain and the risk of myopia in the children, screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. So if you turn it off, turn it on, then it will ask for you to keep your phone at a specific distance, so that your eyes, children's eyes will not get myopia and other disease related to that. So you have to make sure that you have turned it on, so it will restrict you at a specific distance from the screen, and it will not damage your eyes. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.